Hello friends, I am Kanchan and my seminar topic is blood composition and its function in subject animal physiology. In this lecture, we will discuss about blood and its composition and its functions like protection, transportation and regulations. First of all, we will see blood composition. What is blood? Blood is the main circulating fluid in the human body. The study of blood is called as hematology. The blood is fluid connective tissue derived from the mesoderm. Blood is bright red in color, slightly alkaline, pH 7.4. It is salty and heavier than water. The adult has 5 liters of blood, which constitute about 8% of the total body weight. It has main four constituents. It is plasma, WBCs, RBCs and platelets. Blood is divided into two constituents. First, cellular compositions and second, non-cellular compositions. In this we will see cellular and non-cellular composition of blood. Cellular compositions are blood corpuscles, RBCs, WBCs and platelets. WBCs contains granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocyte is divided into neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils, and agranulocyte is divided into monocyte and lymphocytes. Non-cellular compositions are plasma, erythrocytes or RBCs. Erythrocytes are also known as red blood corpuscles. They are circular biconcave enucleated cells. Its size is 7 micrometer in diameter to 2.5 micrometer in thickness. There are about 5.1 to 5.8 million RBCs per cubic millimeter in adult male, and in adult female it is about 4.3 to 5.2 millions. The average lifespan of erythrocytes is 120 days. Leukocytes or WBCs. Leukocytes are also known as white blood corpuscles. They are colorless, nucleated, amoeboid, and phagocyte cells. Due to amoeboidal movement, they squeeze out of blood capillaries. This process is called as diapedesis. It is about 8 to 15 micron meter. There are about 5000 to 9000 WBCs per cubic millimeter. The average lifespan of WBCs is 3 to 4 days. Granulocyte is a type of immune cell that has granules with enzyme that are released during infections, allergic reaction. Neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils are the granulocytes. Neutrophils are cytoplasmic granules, which is stained with neutral dyes. It has 3 to 5 lobe nucleus, hence called polymorphonuclear. It constitutes about 54 to 62% of total WBCs, and its function is phagocytosis and engulf microorganisms. Eosinophils are cytoplasmic granules which are stained with acidic dyes such as eosin. Nucleus is bilobed, constitutes 3% of WBC. Function is they are non-phagocytotic and increase during allergic reaction. They show antihistamine property. It increase in number of eosinophil is also known as eosinophilia. Basophils. Basophils are cytoplasmic granules. They are stained with basic dyes such as methylene blue. It has twisted nucleus. They constitutes about 0.5% of total WBCs, and its function is they are non-phagocytotic. They release histamine and heparin. Heparin is anticoagulant. Agranulocytes. Agranulocytes are white blood cells that have no distinct granules in their cytoplasm. They are an important part of the body's immune system. It contains lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes are large round nucleus. It constitutes about 25 to 30% of total WBCs. Its function is it produces antibodies and responsible for immune response of the body. Monocytes. Monocytes are largest of all WBCs. Kidney-shaped nucleus. It constitutes about 3 to 9% of total WBCs. Its function. They are phagocytic in function, so they known as scavengers. Platelets. Platelets are pieces of very large cells in the bone marrow called megakaryocytes. Platelets are made in our bone marrow. Bone marrow contains stem cells that develop into RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. These are small fragments of bone marrow cells and therefore not really classified as a cell themselves. Functions of platelets. Platelets are secrete vasoconstriction, form temporary platelets plug to clot bleeding. Third, secrete procoagulants to promote blood clotting, dissolve blood clots, digest and destroy bacteria, secrete some bacteria to attract neutrophils and monophils to the site of inflammation. Seventh, secrete growth factor to maintain the lining of blood vessels. Non-cellular constituents. Plasma. Plasma is a clear straw-colored liquid portion of a blood that remains after RBC, WBC, and platelets and other cellular components are removed. It is single largest component of human blood, comprising about 55% of percent and contains about salts and enzymes, antibodies, and other proteins. The main role of plasma is to take nutrients and hormones and proteins to the part of body that need. The plasma is slightly alkaline, viscous fluid. It contains 90 to 92% of water and 10% of solutes and 7% of proteins. The plasma proteins such as serum albumin, serum globulin, heparin, fibrinogen, and prothrombin as a coagulant factors in the active form. Other nutrients such as glucose, amino acid, and glycerols, nitrogenous waste as a urea, uric acid, ammonia, and creatinine. Gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, regulatory substances such as enzyme, hormones, and inorganic substances like bicarbonates, chloride, phosphate, and sulfates, and many others. Functions of blood. Transportation. Blood transport the following substances like gases, namely oxygen and carbon dioxide, between the lungs and rest of the body, and nutrients from the gastrointestinal tract, transportation of the hormones from the endocrine glands, and transportation of the metabolic waste. Regulation. Blood plays an important role in regulating the body's system and maintaining homeostasis, regulating body's pH, adjusting and maintaining body's temperature, maintains water content of cells. Protection. Transporting oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and tissue, forming blood clot to prevent excess blood loss from injury, carrying cells and antibodies that fight against infection, bringing waste products to the kidneys and liver, which filter and cleanse the blood. WBC protects against disease by phagocytosis, reservoir for substances like water, electrolytes, perform homeostasis.